Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can use Waze. So let's start. The first thing, when you're gonna enter Waze application, you're gonna see all the map here and your location where you are right now. What you can do first is when you're gonna click on the center button, you can simply center it, or then you can simply add where you want to go right here, and you just add the address. That's like really simple. And you can click on left bottom corner to My Waze. When you're gonna click on it, you're gonna see all the addresses here. So first you're gonna see home address that you can like edit or add, right? And you can simply edit it to something else, like you want to go there and you will automatically update. Or you can also add work or add your own favorites that you got. And then you can also plan trips here. Now, when we got it, we want to go to left top corner to settings. And right here, let's just edit a few things and let me show you. So first is general. You can change the language here, distance units. And that's like pretty much it. Then we are going to map display, and you can change between mode night or the auto day or type, 3D or 2D. Then you can also like change the car icon if you want to, and create reports, alerts on, and then you're gonna like speedometer here. Speedometer is really good if you want to have like the speed limit, and now when to show it at like 5, 10, 15, 20, and alert when speeding, so we can have that also. Now to go further, then you're gonna select the voice and sound here. You can change actually the voice of the woman or man that is going to speak to you while you're driving. And you have like multiple options here to choose between Jane, Sarah, Ben, and many others. Like there are so many of them. When I go in further, I get to see navigation here, driving preferences, and you can avoid toll roads, ferries, freeways. You can also allow the dirt roads if you want to. And when you got it, you're gonna see like the car details here, and now you can like choose the preferred gas type, and also what kind of car you're gonna have, like taxi or motorcycle or electric. Again, up to you. Now to go further, even you're gonna see here the speedometer, as I mentioned, alerts and reports, gas stations, preferred gas type, preferred brand, all stations. You can edit that if you want to. And then you're gonna see also the planned drives here, and that's pretty much it. So when we got it, I want to show you this. I'm going to home right now, right? And now this is going to be a little bit like scary. So the first thing that you can do, you can add a stop. Let me show you. You can add a stop. You can see where are all the gas station and prices. Then you can find the restaurants here, and then you're gonna see like the roads here. You can actually change the road, and you're gonna have multiple options here, and then you can also click map view to actually check like which road it would be. Pretty simple and pretty easy. Now to go even further, let's go again. You can share the drive with someone, and you can find the overview here. Like, okay, like it's a big map, how long is it going to take you, etc. Now, what you can do now is you can also change the road. So let's say that I want to go here, right? So I would click here, and I would click go. Or like, let's go here. Go. And now you can like click add a stop, and it will automatically calculate the road now through that. So yeah, that's pretty much it how I do it. So thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. You just click go now and you're up to go, and you need to have GPS, of course. So see ya.